URHOBO Wadoo. Ikpako memi Igho. Ma wana begano. Okliye mirare mi yunu URHOBO e. Kebo wani mebiyo. Mebe yo motero wa. Oyono ayeruwe Christy. Happy Igho Umukoro. No na me kuno takpare IBIETA alphabets. IBIETA rupo kugbe IBIETA rankon. Kugbe IBIETA gba ive. Eyi me kuno takpa na. Akekero. IBIETA rupo. URHOBO ve IBIETA rupo igwen. IBIETA rupo igwen na kena. Vowel sounds. URHOBO have 7 vowel sounds. The 7 vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. Then IBIETA ranko. Ke maybe gonna say na kugbe IBIETA rupo leta kugbe. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Cha, che, ke, chi, cho, chu. You know, C cannot stand alone. That is why it must go with another word. If not, if you want to use the C alone, there is no C in the URHOBO alphabet. That's why if you want to pronounce anything that C will appear, it must carry another letter word. That is, if you want to pronounce the CH now, is cha, che, ke, ki, cho, chu. Da, de, di, do, du. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. La, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Sa, se, si, so, su. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Ya, ye, yi, yo, yu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. These are alphabets. If you want to pronounce anything in URHOBO language, if you want to write them, this is how they sound. Like A is A. The first E without dot is A. The second E with dot is E. The I is E. Then O, that O without dot is O. Then the O with dot is O. Then you sound as oo. Eti na medical ye no meri onu na. Edefa akata pare yo ta fa. What did you all know? Gonna know. What's that no me? Next time we'll talk about another topic. But for now, just concentrate on these ones so that you can get used to the alphabets in URHOBO. Then the next class, if I ask any question concerning this topic, you'll be able to answer me. URHOBO, OVOVO, Wadoo, I'm like a